Hey boys and girls, we're gonna do our calendar math, and don't forget today is your chapter 1 test. I know that we are going to be going over a couple of things, and I really want you guys to try to do it on Think Central because there's 14 questions. I think it's super easy. You can do it on the paper if you want. Let me see if I can show you the chapter test. It's really it's not too bad, but if you want to do it on paper, you could do it right here. Okay, it's the same type of questions. Okay, it's a little blurry, but if you have it in front of you, right here, it's going to say circle all the sets that show 4. Okay, so there might be more than one answer. And then here, you're going to count the cubes like we have here. Okay, and grown-ups, they can use these if you want to show them, like the first one, you might want to show them how many that is so they can actually hold it and count it. And they can put the number, try to do their best writing underneath. Then this is going to be out of order. Remember we talked about counting order? You want everything to be starting with 1 and then going 1, 2, 3. That's the right counting order because you're going to start small and you're going to get bigger. So down here, I want you to write your numbers 1 to 5 in the right order. Okay, and then the last page, we did this yesterday too. If these are the wrong order, if I have a number 4, 2, 1. So say that, 4, 2, 1. Does that sound right? If it's right, you're gonna fill in that little tiny circle in front of yes. If you don't think that's right, you're gonna fill in a little tiny circle in front of no. You're gonna do it for this one and this one too. Down here, I'm sorry, number 10, you're gonna have 3 children bring a book to school, 1 book to school. How many books would you draw? So you could draw circles to show. So 3 students bring 1 book. So you're gonna show me how many books are at school. And you write the number here. Here on number 11, there's no apples in the basket. So how many is that if there's no apples in there? And here on number 12, there are 2 apples on the table. She takes 2 apples to a friend. How many are on the table now? Write the number. It's trying to trick you. And then boys and girls, you're going to need 2 colors. You're going to need red and yellow. So grown-ups, make sure they have red and yellow if they're doing it on paper. They have to color some of the counters red, some of the counters yellow. They have to show me 5 2 different ways. So they're going to make some red first, and then the rest of them are yellow. And then show me how many are red, how many are yellow. Okay, down here for 14, write the number that comes after 3. The number that comes after, so count in your head up to 3, and then what's that number after? And then draw the counters. Remember, they're the circles. These are counters, but you can draw them. Just make a circle, and and you're gonna show them for that number, okay? I'm gonna tell you something. If you do it on here, you have to show me, grown-ups. They have to take a picture of it, and I have to see it to grade it. I can't just take your word for it. I'm sorry that they did the test. Or they could do it on Think Central. And if they do it on Think Central, then I will definitely see it. You don't have to show me anything. It'll show right up in that lesson, okay? All right, well, good luck, boys and girls. I'm gonna do calendar math with you very quickly. So if yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Remember, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It is Wednesday, October, and yesterday was 6. We hop 1 more to number 7. Remember, we did it in our message. It is Wednesday, October 7th. Okay, and let's do the days. If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So yesterday was Tuesday. Oh, that's upside down. Boys and girls, I'm being silly. And tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be tomorrow, and we'll be back live. Okay? We have our season that is fall, and you notice all the changes that are happening outside. I hope you get outside. It's going to be beautiful today. And tell me some things that you see happening. The trees, what's happening to the trees. You notice maybe the grass is changing a little bit. The temperature's changing a little. So I did check, and the weather is supposed to be sunny. Another sunny day. And it's going to be very warm. I believe it's going to be a high of like 77 degrees today, which is pretty warm, getting almost a little hot for Mrs. Lofton. Okay, oops, let me put that in there. And let's go right over here. And I told you that something special was going to happen with our counting here. This is one bunch of 10. Do you remember in our pumpkin story where it was how many seeds are in a pumpkin? And Charlie counted by something called tens. This is one group of 10. So this would be 10. Now, let's count the rest of them. Remember 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more makes 20. I can't have a 20 in here because this word says tens. That's where all of my groups of tens are going to go. So now, let's see if I have 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is one bunch of 10. So I'm gonna get let me see if I can get my rubber bands out. Okay. I'm gonna rubber band it because it is a group of 10. It's 10 objects, 10 straws. So now I don't just have one 10. How many groups of 10 do I have? I have 2. Do you know what number that makes? That makes the number 20. 2 groups of 10 make 20. I count by tens. I say 10, 20. You've been in school for 20 days. Woo, woo. That's awesome. Okay, I want everybody to have a great day, and I'm going to be taking some groups. I will definitely reach out to you in Google Classroom or in Class Dojo to tell you what time. And there are no lives today. You had to watch the videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck on your math test. I'm so proud of all of you.